One of the things I teach when you find a good place.
Grind hard, well done, sir, and welcome to the freaking Well Show.
When you find a profitable place like today, me and Nico found this place. Lots of profit here. You don't leave, you stay at this place. A lot of people, they'll be like, okay, we scanned 1,000, we scanned 2,000 books. No, if you're making money, stay there until it closes. This is a huge thing. A huge problem a lot of people have is, it's kind of like when you're taking a test back in high school. When everyone's done with the test, everybody gets up. You notice everybody gets done with the test at the same time. It doesn't mean you should get up just because the test is over. Maybe you should wait. Maybe you should double check your answers. Maybe you went too fast. Maybe everybody's getting up too early. So take your time. Even at library sales, when other people leave, you should stay. So you might have on your list to hit up 10 places, but if you hit one place that's really good, that's oftentimes better than a day where you hit up 10 different places. So if you find a good place, stay there and make a lot of money, right, Nico?
Yeah, baby.
That's how you do it. We're making lots of profit today. I'll show you guys what we have. So DVDs are great because a lot of people can't sell DVDs. You have to get ungated. It's a pretty simple process to get ungated, but you have to pay a couple $100. And a lot of people don't want to do that. So we have this cart right here is profit. This DVD box right there is profit. And that cart back there. So check this out. All of this is profit. This is profit. We'll probably walk out of here. I'm thinking close to 1,000 profit. And this is Nico's third time sourcing.
My third time. Yeah.
Third time, and he finally hit his jackpot. We hit one that was kind of good, but this one is a lot better. Yes, sir, baby. We're gonna get back after it. Peace out, family.
Grind hard, well done, sir, and welcome to the freaking Well Show. And party central to my well ones, a night of violated hell codes. Dope sells like the charge do, but selling's all about potential. And money speaks, then I'm the main act. I give a damn about the